Hi, in front of me is REALME C21 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this REALME. Firstly, open Play Store, type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Allow while using the app and allow again. Then click Home button, choose Settings and scroll down. Now you need to click on App Management and choose Default App. Click on Home App and select iOS Launcher by clicking on it. Then choose Got It. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on this REALME. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!